Hi guys, it's Ashley from Ashley's Paper Heart, and today I thought we could do unboxing and unenveloping of my sticky kit or sticky club, sorry, subscription for what is this month? This is May. Gosh, I'm all over the place today. So I have I believe this is the pop pack and then also the vintage. I always get the vintage, but I switch whether I get the pop one or the cute one. So in hopes of not flashing my address, which I have done before, and then had to scrap part of the footage. I thought we could look at these, and then I thought it would be fun to do maybe one of each, some envelope art using some of the supplies that were sent. So I believe this one for the vintage is like for science. Okay, so that's the theme. So we have this really pretty notepad. I really like this. This is in the interest of science. So let's see if it's just like loose papers or if it's sticky. I usually prefer the non-sticky little memo pads, but that's just me. They're not sticky. So yeah, I really like this one. It's pretty. I have yet to be disappointed with my subscription to Sticky Club. I like that I can see what's coming, so that way I have a chance to change my mind if I don't like a theme or something. So, and these look like little bookmarks of different scientific women. I like. Hopefully these are actually like fashioned after real scientific women. So these are cool. I'll probably be using those. And then the actual like sticker part. Oops, my kid's gone crazy out there. Oh gosh, real life. So you have your washi stickers. I never know how to use these. These are always like too wide for a single side of my A5 notebooks, so I end up having to cut them, and I never really know how to use them. We have some books. This has like more of a paper texture. I like the texture on these. I like how they vary that. They do vary a lot of the textures and just like the way the stickers look. These are cool. They have like different things. Geology, botany, zoology, books to read, science gossip. I wish that they wouldn't have put science gossip because I feel like the stereotype that gossip is a woman's thing is just kind of harmful, but that's just me. Some more of the ladies of science. More clear stickers. Ooh, these are fun. Thoughts, notes, observations. I'm trying to get it to a place where you can actually see. It's hard to show these clear stickers, you know? Because then you just get like whatever's in the background. We have like petri dish samples, slides, and then space. I have really been in the mood to try to make a space themed junk journal. Hopefully I can pull enough space themed items to really make one. So there's that. And then the pop. I believe this one is in my element. So it's like the elements, earth, wind, fire, water. So we have this little clear silicone stamp that you attach to a stamp block with an envelope and waves. That's pretty cool. That's very appropriate for Happy Mail. It looks like we have this like tiger with a bunch of fire. This will be fun to use as well. And then we have the stickers. These are pretty. So the different elements, I believe. This one's all fire themed. I like the deer. That's pretty cool. And the bird. So this isn't typically my normal style, but I do like playing with some different things, and I know I have some pen pals that really enjoy this style. It's almost got kind of like an anime feel to it, a lot of the characters. That's nice. This one's water, and it's got cats. That's cool. Some more like chibi fire friends. That's pretty neat. And they do have the ones that are made by specific artists. They do have their names and their socials there so that you can follow the individual artists. Whoa, that's pretty. Okay, I really like this one. I like the mist fog over the landscape theme. So yeah, these will be fun to use. I feel like this one does not really go with all the other ones in here. I feel like the other ones really kind of match each other and feel. This one feels like out of left field. I feel like this one would be better suited for the vintage, but this probably is my favorite out of this pack, so. All right. So let me move some of this out of the way and we will start doing the envelope decorations and we will switch to voiceover. So I'll see you in a second. Okay guys, voiceover Ashley here, and I thought we would start with the vintage themed envelope first. So a good tip that I have for the memo pads that get sent a lot of times in the subscription is I like to cut them down and basically use them as address labels. And it kind of helps carry the theme over and gives it just something a little bit special. So I'm also kind of mixing in some of my scrap paper box. I do this because I don't think that there's enough material in the actual subscription pack to fully create a full, like, thought out collage. But I am trying to keep everything in more of the neutral tones and very monotone so that it will kind of just fade in the background and the stickers and the washi kind of really pull it together as the star of the show. So I'm using one of these washi stickers down at the bottom. I actually tear it in half so that it shows up in two places on the design. A little bit of a design tip. I like to use the same element in multiple spaces on the composition. It just helps tie everything together and feels more balanced when you can do stuff like that. So I also add some of the book stickers, which I thought fit really well up against the torn book page, and a little owl in the center of the petri dish sticker. And so I'm also cutting off some more of this tissue paper. This was actually sent to me in Happy Mail. It was used to wrap some tags, but I really like the tissue paper, and of course I had to repurpose it in my own collages. And of course I had to add a Lady of Science sticker in there. I just love those like portrait style stickers. They're really cool and I love the thought of it. So now we're moving on to the pop theme one. And this is where I kind of hit the struggle bus pretty hard. I tried pulling out some more colorful pieces out of my scrap box just to mirror the really colorful pieces of paper and stickers that are included in the pop pack. Again, I used the memo pad to cut, and I cut it in half so that I could use it as a address label. And now I'm tearing up some of this yellow tissue paper. This is really taking me out of my comfort zone as I am not naturally drawn to bright colors when it comes to paper craft. So this feels a bit bold for me, but I'm all for trying to get outside of my comfort zone and try something new, as I think we all should be. And at the end of the day, it's just paper, and honestly, I doubt that this envelope, once it's sent to whoever I end up sending it to, will have much longevity after, getting to its destination. Now this envelope took me quite a bit longer than the first one. I had to cut out quite a bit of just blank footage kind of thing where I was just sitting there and kind of tapping my finger and trying to figure out what I was going to do next. I ended up using some of these, the fire, like chibi style stickers, and I thought they were really cute. Definitely something that I would not naturally kind of lean towards, but I really enjoyed the look of it after getting them down. Now I'm trying to get something up in that left-hand corner. So I finally settled on a piece of book page to tear up and then mirror down next to the where the address label is. I felt like that helped kind of ground it and give it a little like neutral pop. Um, I really think it needed it because everything else on it was just so bright, and I needed something that felt a little more grounded, a little closer to what I naturally am drawn to. So I did pull some washi from my own personal collection just because I felt like the washi stickers that came with this particular theme just wasn't a good fit for what I was going for in this envelope. And now I'm going to attempt to get this stamp put on the back. I had thought about putting it on the front, but I felt the front was already busy enough. So once I stamp it, I realized that the ink is way too light to really be seen well. So I do the stamp again, this time on a light green paper that I also used on the front, and I stuck it down there. So now that we're getting towards the end of the video, I just want to say thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and I hope that you'll join me for my next video. See you later. Bye.